Hi guys, Nicole Kernahan here. I just felt an intuitive nudge to share something with you guys today. So there's a quote that I recently saw from Brené Brown, and it was what she basically says: as soon as she wakes up in the morning, before she puts her feet on the ground, she will say, "Today I choose courage over comfort. Can't make promises for tomorrow, but today I will be brave." I'm just going to say that one more time. I want to make sure you caught it. So it's before putting her feet on the ground in the morning, she says this: "Today I choose courage over comfort. I can't make promises for tomorrow, but today I will be brave." And I really love that because it just kind of puts into perspective this idea that I'm choosing to be courageous. Because another really important thing that Brené Brown shares is the fact that if you choose to live this life of courage, if you choose to be courageous, then you are going to fail. If you choose courage, you're going to fall down. It is impossible to try new things you've never done before, to go after something that's scary and has uncertainty attached to it with a clean straight line to the top. It just doesn't happen, and nor should it happen, nor would our life be fully fulfilled if that was the way it happened anyway. But it's like this idea that I'm choosing to fail. I'm choosing the potential of failure because I want to live this wholehearted, full, exciting life. Going out on a skinny branch, I might fall down, but it's okay. If any of you saw my recent quote, I think I shared it in this group. If not, I will. But the idea of, if you say the words, even if, that's indicative of faith. If you say, wait, what is it again? Even if this happens, that means I have faith. If I say, what if this happens, that's more of a place of fear. So even if I fail, even if I fall down, even if things don't work out as I had expected, I have faith that we will figure it out, that I'll be able to overcome it, that life will continue on and all is good. So fear over faith, faith over fear, faith over fear, courage over comfort. Those are the ideas that I really wanted to share. I wanted to show you something else. We have our Christmas tree up. Yeah, it's really early. My son said the first snowfall is when the Christmas tree comes up. I just saw the lights twinkling in my eye. The other thing I wanted to share about this whole idea of courage and fear and faith is that I started a fitness challenge. So for those who know me, I am an avid health and fitness person. I coach and facilitate health challenges and things like that. I've been in this field for many years as part of my life. I'm very disciplined and dedicated. I love it. It's who I am. So when I told my husband I'm starting this new fitness challenge, he was like, aren't you doing one like always? Are you just always? I don't understand. What kind of challenge could this be? Because you're just always that way. But I realized I was pushing myself out of my comfort zone. I'm doing a new challenge with my gym. There's a lot of very advanced fitness and health people. And even though I am living a healthy and fit life, I'm pushing myself out of my comfort zone, and I was scared. I haven't felt scared about health behavior for a long time. But I'm grateful for that fear because I know a lot of people I work with have fears around health, about changing their diet or changing their exercise or overcoming health obstacles or things like that. So anyways, just a little bit of a side note, but it goes alongside with this whole fear or faith concept, courage over comfort, and stepping outside of our comfort zone. And hopefully that's a valuable little tip. Hi guys, I see a few folks jumping in, and you might be curious about what I'm sharing. I'm going to end with that quote one more time because it's basically life-changing. The quote is, before putting our feet on the ground in the morning, say these words: "Today I choose courage over comfort. I can't make promises for tomorrow, but today I will be brave." And I know full well that by living a life of courage, that means that I'm going to fall down, that it is impossible to live a full, wholehearted, courageous life without having some failures and learnings and falls along the way. Okay, hopefully that added value, and we'll chat with you guys soon. Have a great day.